Oh, June 9th, super brief presentation video. That down there is the pedestrian entrance. Down there, there's the official entrance with the elevator. So, all you do is elevator which goes up to the parking lot and then down nearer to the sea. You walk in here, this is your lot. These are your pastinos, your back garden. You walk in from here. Sorry for the mess, but we're almost there, but not yet. On the left, bathroom for guests, laundry. This is your open plan living area. Sofa, dining table and kitchen. And walk to the back. Here the view is on your back garden. And here you have 3 bedrooms. So number 1, number 2, and then we'll see number 3, and 2 bathrooms. This is the first bathroom with shower. There's still stuff laying around. That's always the view on your garden. And finally the master bedroom. This is the walk-in closet. This is the master bedroom and bathroom. Now, from these bedrooms and from the living area, you can walk outside. That's another little bit of garden. If you want to place a pool there, you can file for a request. Bathroom. This was the first bedroom we saw. And now we're back. This is the view you get, plus you get your own little share of beach. We'll talk about that later, and in another video we'll go down to the sea. You can walk back. And here we go. Bye.